How to behave in the street, especially when traveling. Umbert loves to wander around the city during his monthly weekends, or at night. He knows that the new etiquette and good manners demand to be always discreet and not to disturb others, even in the street and in all circumstances. He also pays attention to respect the people and their country when traveling. If someone asks him his way, he always responds kindly or apologizes if he doesn't know the answer. When a car driver gives him the passage, he thankfully nodded politely. Courtesy is the main part of the etiquette. It is a kind of charm by which one is loved by everyone. Jacques Duvall, artist and filmmaker. 1. Public transportation. Always stay behind the line and let the people exist first, especially in the subway, taxi or bus stations. Let your seat to older persons, women or persons with disabilities, if the other places are taken. Put your bags under your knees, they don't need a seat. It is not convenient to eat or unpack food, the smell will disturb the other passengers. Please don't talk loudly on the phone, wait that you will arrive. Always be gentle with the driver in buses, or any employee from the public transportation company, they try to make their job the best they can. Umbert always says good morning or have a nice day to the driver. 2. When shopping. Umbert loves to shop around and discover new things and trends. When he goes to a shop, if there is a push door to open, he always holds it if someone wants to enter after him or exit. When it is a pull door, don't forget to hold the door first, to let the other enter or exit. When the elevator arrives, let the people exit first, then enter and make some space for others. This is the best way not to waste your and others' time. In the escalator, stay on the right side so the people in a hurry can walk fast on the left side. People, especially in the cities, are working, so if you respect them, they will also appreciate the tourists. 3. Rainy days. They are part of the charm of Paris and North Europe in general. These days are often synonymous with congested sidewalks because many streets in old cities are narrow. Do not forget that this is what makes them historical and charming. Umbert pays attention not to jostle someone by walking too fast, and not to disturb everyone with his umbrella. He always lowers his umbrella to let a woman pass. A woman, meanwhile, will lower her umbrella to let an older woman pass. Don't forget that many work and are often in a hurry. They should, therefore, be given priority. On the opposite, if you are in a hurry, do not stick the person in front. When Umbert inadvertently hustles someone, even if he tries never to do, he immediately apologizes. 4. The priorities, especially with women. Umbert is a gallant man. When he sees a woman walking on the same sidewalk, he leaves her the side along the wall, proof that he takes care of her safety. He always leaves room for a woman on public transportation. A man does not turn around and look at a woman. It's a proof of respect. If he meets a married person with another man, he pretends not to have seen them. He lets the woman come to him if she wishes. If a person arrives with a stroller, he moves to let her pass. If he meets a senior, he takes a step aside to let her pass. 5. With your group of friends. Umbert knows many people in Paris, and he often meets friends in his favorite neighborhoods. When discussing, they let the passage free, they don't want to plug the sidewalk, even if the conversation is very lively. The group also pay attention not to talk or laugh too loud, they don't want to disturb people who live next door, especially at night. 6. The cleanliness. An effort must be made by everyone to respect the environment. Residents who love their city try to keep it clean, but it's not always easy. Umbert, in an ecological approach, recalls that we should not throw anything randomly in on the sidewalks, there is always trash nearby. He also tries to buy natural and organic products, when possible, to preserve our planet. This is very important for the human future. Living in society is sometimes tricky. It is necessary to know how to make efforts even if the others do not. This is how to behave in the street, especially when traveling. It is imperative that we all respect the people, their culture and the environment to have a great life and future. What you should remember, these rules contribute to the savoir-vivre with others, and to the well-being of all, wherever you are. How to become irresistible. Download now the free ebook available on this blog. Enjoy the journey.